Today I'll show you how to use Claude Code with Unity Engine, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch Unity Engine, and once that's launched, we're going to open up the project that we want to add Claude to. Now I have my project opened up. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure that we have the AI tab on our engine. You can see it here. If you do not have it, you're going to have to install it on your engine, and you're going to go to services. You're going to go to general settings. Once you go to general settings, on the left side you should see the AI tab, and once you open it up you should see Unity MCP server. Now here we're going to accept this terms. Once we accept it, you should see we should ensure that the Unity bridge status is running. If not, you need to stop it and run it again. Let's collapse this and let's open this up, and you can see a lot of AI tools here. We're gonna configure Claude here, and we'll click on it, and just like that, Claude is active. Now I already have Claude installed on my computer, so that's why it's that simple, and I'm going to agree and continue here. Now when I launch an AI assistant conversation, open the chat box here, I should be able to interact with Claude on Unity Engine, and it's going to get access to all the code that I have there. And this is where I can have the conversation with Claude. Now that's how to connect Claude with Unity Engine. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I will see you on the next one.